Christmas 2021. Alright, traditional Christmas out the door. Today we're doing it yardman style, crab boil. Alright, so just want to get some water in my pot. So I'm getting about 3 gallons water. This is about quarter way. You don't want to get too much because you want to have the seasoning right. So get more water, fire up my pot, then I'll start adding my stuff. I'll show you exactly how we go along. I'm going to get my fire going. Open up all my valves. Make sure they're open to the full. Good. Then we gauge it as we go along. Can turn down. Alright. Set my timer. Well, with this grill, I'm a 15-minute timer. So you gotta watch it every 15 minutes. Alright. And we light from inside. Alright. There we go. Fire. Yep. More fire, more fire. Get this bubbling. Can you turn him up? Yeah, listen to the flames. More fire. Yes, flames. Alright. So we're good. Alright, so right after this, once I get my water boiling, I'm going to start adding my seasoning. Bring that to a boil, make sure it's good, and I'll start adding my food. And you'll get from start to finish. Yeah man, just make sure you stay tuned. Alright, there we go. So we're getting some steam out of our pot. So now, I'm going to go through and add my seasoning and get this spot going. So first of all, I'm going to add me 2 bottles. There. This you can choose whichever brand you want to use, right? But for me, good old Jamaican red stripe, that's the best one. Today I'm trying with a different brand, just to see, just in case there's a day when I can't find my red stripe, but so we'll see. Right. So this brand, Yingling, not being sponsored, but I'll tell you which one I'm using now. Alright, so for my seasoning, half stick butter, put in the parsley, get some lemon juice. And you want to add the lemon, so just extract as much of the juice as you can, and then you add your lemon, add some thyme, some escallion, some chopped onions, minced garlic or chopped garlic, and last but not least, the fire. Some good old Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, right? Chopped. And just chop it in half so you can find the pieces when you're done. Because these things are fire. You don't want to be eating this. Alright? But it gives you a good flavor for your pot. Alright? So put those in. Next, good old Jamaican cock soup. This you can choose to strain if needed, so you don't get the noodles in it. But I tend to add everything. Right? Noodles, added flavor, added taste. Next, good old Grace fish tea. And again, not sponsored by any of these companies, but just showing you my ingredients. Alright. Add that. Here, I already have a mix: onion powder, garlic powder, complete seasoning, pimento seeds. It's all in here. And for this we add everything. Add it all. once we get this going, real good flavor. Get some seasoning salt, and at the end, if needs be, we'll add regular salt. Right? Just enough to taste. I normally eyeball all my ingredients based on my water, based on the amount of food I'm putting in. So I kind of have an idea of how much is needed, right? So I'm going to obey. And here is a crab seasoning, also salted. So like I said, you add all these seasoning, make sure you taste, and at the end of it, if it still needs salt, we'll add salt. All right, so we're good. Give it a nice mix. Notice the color of my water already changed. I'll have this cook down a little bit, about 2 to 5 minutes. Get a good taste going. If it's to my satisfaction, to my liking, I'll start adding my food. My potatoes first, my eggs, my corn, crab, shrimp, sausage, etc. Right? One big bum. Catch you in a minute. Alright, so just added my eggs. Alright, now I'm adding a red potato. So these take a little bit longer to cook, so you want to put them in first. Right? The crab, the shrimp take about 15 minutes, if so long. So those go in later on. Now I'll also add my smoked beef sausage. You can use pork if you so desire, but for a long time there's no pork around here. Bun pork, and I eat pork no more. Chaw. Anyway, good substitute beef. All right. So we'll add the beef at this point just to get that beef flavor also marinated into the sauce. So we'll add our corn, crab, shrimp. All that flavor gets absorbed into that meat. You will add nice taste at the end. All right. So another 5 minutes or so, I'll be adding that. Alright, so now that our potato is halfway cooked, we can add our crab, corn, and shrimp. Right? Already cleaned, washed, and stuff. We'll add our crab clusters. And right now we're choosing snow crab. Right? We have the whole crabs, blue crabs, you know, whichever sea crab you like, you can use, right? Add our crabs. We'll add our corn. And we can also add our shrimp now, but I'm gonna wait just another 5 minutes because I don't want my shrimp to get soft, too soft. So we'll leave this for another 5 minutes. Alright. I'll check my pot. Eat a little stir, see what's going on. And my eggs. Looking good. Alright, looking real good. Looking real good. Alright, nice. Pimento start to float, as I told you earlier. So I'm seasoning good. Alright, good job. So we're almost there. It's gonna be a delicious Christmas. Catch it down. Alright. So now we're back. Like I said, 5 minutes in, and we'll just add our shrimp. As you can see, I'm adding whole shrimp. Real big, nice. It'll be real tender and juicy once done. And this is about 3 pounds of shrimp. And as you know, once your shrimp start change color, turning red, they're on their way to being cooked, fully cooked. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. So now my boil has maybe less than 10 minutes to go. Good. Changing color already. Right, just by touching the water. Yeah, quick stir. And if you notice, we have shrimp turning pink already. Color starts to change. Right? So really don't need long to cook shrimp. Looking good, looking good. Alright. Good. And that's how we do Jamaican crab boil. And at the end, you'll see the finished product. So as always, thanks for watching. Just like, share, comment, subscribe. And yeah, to keep up to date, just ring that little bell.